everyone, it's Stephanie here and welcome to the brand new review for our new Cats and Plants card kit. Bringing your home decor style to your card making is about to get a lot easier with this month's kit. First up, we have the 4x8 inch House Cats Clear Stamp Set. This stamp set features so many great options for all you cat and plant lovers out there. There are a variety of different cat designs as well as plant options, with accessory pieces as well, including an adorable little fish tank and a watering can. There are also coordinating dies for the stamp set, which are sold separately. Window dressing is a 5-piece die set that includes everything you need to create an inviting window for your scene. You have the window shape as well as 2 curtains, the curtain rod, and layering elements to dress up your curtain rod. This provides a great focal element that coordinates perfectly with the cats and plants in this card kit. And if you just can't get enough of the plants in the stamp set, we also have a standalone die set called House Plants. This die set is a standalone set that includes all of the pieces you need to create beautiful and luscious plants on your card designs. With the variation of planters, stems, and leaves, the design possibilities are endless. The House Cats exclusive stamp set is only available as part of this kit and provides even more friendly felines to enhance your scenes. 3 bonus sentiment options are also featured in this exclusive set that coordinates perfectly with the larger House Cat stamp set. The Wallpaper Patterns paper pad includes 12 different designs, ideal for covering every surface in your scene. From the walls to the floor to the curtain panels, you can paper your project in style. And last but not least, we have 13 sheets of coordinating cardstock that complement the colors featured in the paper pad and provide ample material for card bases and accent pieces. This selection includes 5 sheets of smooth white and 1 sheet each of Moroccan spice, candied yam, butterscotch, sour apple, jalapeno popper, Caribbean sea, cement gray, and Eiffel Tower. And let's not forget about the newest free with 60 option releasing with this month's kit. The newest free with 60 is the Cat and Plant Purchase Dynamics. This die set includes everything you need to create decorative elements that will house your plants and/or cat images. So let's go ahead and take one more quick look at all of the products being released in this month's card kit, Cats and Plants. First up, we have all of that beautiful cardstock. We have the 4x8 inch House Cat stamp set, as well as the 3x4 inch House Cats exclusive, which is only available in this month's kit. We have the House Plants Dynamics, which features a great assortment of plant options. We have the Window Dressing Dynamics, which is going to create a beautiful window design that can enhance your scenes with both the cats as well as the plants. And we have the Wallpaper Patterns paper pad, which is going to help you decorate your scene to perfection. And lastly, we have the Cat and Plant Purchase Dynamics, which is the new free with 60 option releasing with the card kit this month. And don't forget, we do have the coordinating dies for the House Cat stamp set available separately for purchase if you'd like to purchase those as well. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick review of our new Cats and Plants card kit. This kit will be available at My Favorite Things on March 23rd at 10 a.m. Eastern. We always love seeing what you're creating, so please hashtag us on social media with MFT stamps. As always, I appreciate you being here for another video, and I hope to see you again soon. Thanks for watching.